So maybe, Paul, if you can spend a little more time talking about that, the comp plan I'm in, I would appreciate it. Do you mind sharing the comp plan with people out there, Paul?
Yeah, sure. More than happy to. Right, let me just do a little screen share here. Can you guys see my page?
Yeah, I think we are good. I'm going to get the control panel to make sure. Yes, we are good. Control panel says you are good to go, Paul.
All right, so before we actually go into the compensation plan, what I really need to stress is that some of the figures that we're going to be talking about and all the rest, it's for demonstration purposes. It does not mean that there are any guarantees that people will make X amount of money. This is purely just to show you what can be made, okay? And before we actually even get into the compensation plan, the very first thing that people need to understand are the various rank qualifications, because iCoin Pro, we have various ranks, and those ranks affect your earnings. Now, the very first rank, well, it's not even on here, is someone who's unranked, and that is someone that has less than 3 personally enrolled active members that have paid their membership for the month. Once they get 3, they become a 1-star. And a 1-star is someone that has at least 3 personally enrolled members personally who have paid their monthly dues. A 2-star is someone that has a total of 20 active members in their enroller tree. Now, we can swap the word enroller tree for group, okay? And those 20 active members do not need to be your own personally enrolled referrals, okay? So a 2-star must have a total of 20 active members in the enroller tree and no more than 40% of their volume counting from any one individual leg. Now that rule, I just want to explain quickly. What that means is that if you've got one monster massive leg, only 40% of the volume will be counted towards the compensation plan and your earnings. So the tip and the trick there is go and sponsor as many people as possible so that you spread your earnings out. 3-star, you must have a minimum of 100 active members in your group, again with that 40% rule. Star Elite, total of 500 active members in the group with no more than 40% of that volume coming from one individual leg. Star Presidential must have a total of 5,000 active members in their group, again with that 40% rule. Now that we understand the ranks, we can actually just hop onto the other page here and look at the various ways that people can make money with iCoin Pro. Now, there's 5 different ways that people get paid with iCoin Pro. The very first way is something called the Powerline bonus. Now, the Powerline bonus is something that I believe is really going to excite people, okay? Because it is our guarantee, and I'm going to say that on this video, our guarantee that every single person that joins iCoin Pro will earn a commission. And we do that by placing every single person in the power line. And when people go into the power line, right, you get paid on the first 5 people that join after you in the power line, and you earn 3% off each of those people. Now, it's a small commission. It's not great. It's not going to make you rich. But when you start sharing this compensation plan and this opportunity with other people who have tried everything online to make a few bucks and they haven't, when you show them this compensation plan, I promise you people are going to get excited, because there's no one that is guaranteeing that people are going to earn a commission. iCoin Pro is going to do that. The next way that people are going to earn is what we call fast start bonuses. Now, this is really very similar to, maybe you might want to call it like an affiliate commission, when someone purchases something and you get a once-off payment. Now, you get a once-off payment with every new person that is enrolled. Okay, well, that you enroll. I'm going to explain this. On an unranked person, okay, so that is someone that has less than 3 active personally enrolled members, right? For every person that they introduce, they're going to get $10, okay? Now, a 1-star person that's got 3, they're going to start getting $15 on all their personally enrolled people. 2 stars are going to make 20, 3 star and above are going to make $25 each. It's a once-off. As a person comes in, that's what you're going to get. Now, that's based off your personally enrolled. On your second level, okay, if you're a 1-star, you're going to make a 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star and above, you're going to make an extra $5. On your third level, 2-star and 3-star are going to get an extra $3 each. On the fourth level, when you 3-star and above, you're going to get an extra $2. Fifth level, 3-star and above, you're going to get an extra $1. Okay, so when you start adding them up, that up, and you start building a group, it's going to be some really, really good commissions. Now, on to what's known as the Coded Infinity Fast Start Overrides. All right. Now, the way that this works, okay, people already know that we have a 2x14 matrix. Now, most compensation plans that use the matrix do not allow you to earn beyond the border of the bottom of your matrix. But what we've done here is we've done something called this Coded Infinity Fast Start Override bonus. And it works down 3 generations, and I'll explain what a generation is. So a star elite and a star presidential person, those guys that have got 500 and 5,000 people in their groups, they're going to give either $2 or an extra or $3, depending on what you are, on every single person below them, okay, down to where they're going to get to a person that is the same level or higher than them. So another star elite or star presidential, when they come across another person like that, that is one generation. Then the second generation is again the same thing, where if a person meets another person of the same rank or higher, that's generation 2, and then generation 3 again is the same thing. So on second generation, you're going to earn an extra $1 if you're a star elite with 500, or extra $2 if you start presidential, and on the third generation that pays exactly the same. Excuse me.
Paul, you want a glass of water?
You know what? I've got a coffee. I'll have a sip.
Awesome. There's so much. Yep, go ahead.
Then the matrix earnings is going to be really, really powerful. Okay. Now, an unranked person will be able to earn all the way down 10 levels in their matrix. Okay. Now, what this means is that a person can come into iCoin Pro without sponsoring a single person. Okay. And through, or even if they've sponsored only 1 or 2 people, and through the efforts of the people that they've brought in, as well as their sponsors, they can fill out their matrix down to 10 levels, and they will earn 2.5% down all the way, okay? And people will earn $2,046 for filling out their 2x10 matrix. Now, a 2-star will earn down to 12, and a 3-star will earn down to 14. And the 2-star will earn $8,200, and a 3-star, I mean, as you can see, that is some serious money. Okay, $32,000 is what you can earn if you fill out your matrix. Right. Now, remember something. This is really, really important. This is not your own efforts. This is the effort of you and your team and your upline sponsors. Okay. So what I like about this compensation plan is that it's definitely a team effort. People are going to be helping each other to make money. Now, you guys want to hear where some big money is going to be coming from? The matching bonuses. Now, the matching bonuses work like this. Okay. Every single person that you personally enroll, you will earn at whatever level that you're at, whatever level that you are going to get paid on every single person that you personally enroll, you're going to be paid a certain amount. Now, if you, an unranked person, so you've got less than 3, if you've got 1 or 2, you're going to get paid 10% of what their volume is, the money that they bring in, okay? And 1-star, you're going to get 20%, right? 2-star, things start looking up, because now you get 30% from all your personals, and on the second level, you're going to get 10%. 3-star, you're going to get 40% of the personally enrolled people that you bring in, and then you're going to get 10% on the second level, 10% on the third, 5% on the fourth. Star Elite, 50% of every single person that you personally bring in, and then on your second level, you're going to get 10% of that, third level, 10% of that, and then fourth level, you're going to get 5%, fifth level, you're going to earn an additional 3%. Star Presidential is where the big money is, folks, because you're going to be getting 60% of all the money that is brought in by the people that you personally enroll, okay, the volume that is generated by those people, and then on the second level, 10%, third level, 10%, fourth level, 5%, fifth level, 3%, and then on the sixth level, to 2%. And that is the compensation plan in a nutshell. And as you can see, folks, there is a lot of money to be made here.
Paul, fantastic, my man. And again, if you want a copy of that, even as a free pre-enrollee, when you go onto the site after you sign up, again, make sure you use the link below, okay? The person that shared this link with you, and it's going to take you, and you're going to pre-enroll for free. And there's the comp plan right there for you to go through every single detail. See, what's great about iCoin Pro and Paul D'Souza and the whole team at iCoin Pro is they make everything transparent. Nothing's hidden on what it is, okay? A great programming product that's the definitive source, as we said, okay?